Hi, I'm Dima, founder of Connexity, open source voice AI engineering platform. Connexity helps building voice AI agents based on the feedback loop. Basically, you start with a prompt. In this case, this is AI receptionist for appliance repairs. So the next step will be to generate test cases. The AI uses access to the prompt and tool calls and is able to generate basic test cases for you. After test cases generated, you can review them. You can change anything you want. You can change expected outcomes, or you can use AI assistant to actually ask him to make bigger changes for you if you want. Once you review the test cases and you're happy with the basic data set, you can create the evaluation and see how your prompt performs. Okay, now we can see we have 6 out of 10 cases pass. Let's review them. So after the first run, we would usually review the problems. For example, this one, we can see that there are 2 expected outcomes failed, and we can take this test case and actually use our AI assistant to suggest some changes. So let's do that. Okay, so as you can see, it made changes. You can review them, add your own changes, accept after that, publish a new version of the agent, and then rerun evaluations. Once you're happy with the evaluation results, you can deploy your first version. On Connexity, we support both no-code platforms like Retail, VAPI, as well as custom solutions like built on top of PipeKit or LiveKit or the custom ones. And specifically this case is a Retail, and you can select a version of your agent and deploy it. After it's deployed, the main work starts. You will start getting production calls. The idea of production calls is that you can review them and create test cases based on them. It's a good example here because user is asking for appointment cancellation, and Susan mentions that she created a note about the cancellation, but as you can see, there is no to call here responsible for that. So that's actually a bug. So let's create a test case. So let's see what was generated. Agent must call notify team tool to inform of the cancellation request. And here's the scenario of this conversation. So as you can see here, the test case is assigned to the conversation. And so the idea of the feedback loop is that with every production call, you increase your data set with new test cases. Then you run evaluations, use AI assistant to make changes, and make new versions and deploy them. Thank you.